Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're going to take a look at a Nexus R5 harness that we did for a customer. They're running a 2JZ and a 300ZX. So when we do these harnesses, we change the power and ground structure of the harness. So this ECU, since it has two large terminals, one battery power and one ground, it actually outputs a filtered ground that we use for items like our shields and other digital sensors like flex fuel. We added a front wheel speed for this customer, and also it'd be used for transmission gear speed. So we went ahead and done that, and we're also using one of the high current outputs to power the harness. So that's powering all the items such as injectors and coils. So that greatly changes the way that power and ground are routed through the harness as a whole. But it's a really nice build. We've added items like an exhaust back pressure sensor. This is going to be their front wheel speed. It's a JDM car, so this will come out underneath the intake manifold and go to the passenger front wheel, which would be US driver side. It's got an integrated 4.9 wideband, which is driven by the Nexus, and we've also added other items like coolant pressure. That way they can keep an eye on their head gasket. But other than that, it's similar structure to the other harnesses we produce. It's just nice to work with the new ECU, and hopefully the customer likes the product.